Wagwan. Jamaicans have a term to use the phrase wait name there when they can't clearly recall what they really want to say. Like for example, I have a friend of mine, him come check me, and then him a tell me say, "Mo and go down at the place where they call wait name there." Now how do I supposed to know wait name there? Where is wait name there? I'ma get so frustrated. So I ask him what kind of food him go for go buy. And him say, say, me did buy wait name there? Me just no know. So I said to him, say, yo, if you continue like this, as a matter of fact, say your girl a give you bun. With who? Which man she have? Dog, tell me what going on, man. Yo, don't mix me. Now mix me up. Alright, now I go tell you who. The brother when name what him name there?